Hey, what's going on? Guess what? Yeah, Disney stock is still bearish. Yeah, I'm going to show you all that today on this video about Disney and show you why I'm looking for this stock to continue to go down. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confusion. I simply show you the price chart. I simply talk about price bars and volume to get understanding as to what the overall market is thinking so that we can get in position and capitalize from the price moves. If that sounds very interesting to you, hit the like button, join this team, join this community, because we are growing. And I actually think that people are actually seeing the value of taking all of that noise away and just look at what people are trying to do with the money. I'm going to talk about that today in the market in Disney and see whether or not we got a sell signal on the chart, because if so, guess what? We need to be prepared for the price to continue to go down. So hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Also come to my channel, which is right here. We're already 10,000 subscribers in, which is fantastic. Thank you to everyone who finds the value of these price predictions of my videos, because you can actually do this for yourself. Yeah, you can. You don't have to be dependent on me or any other YouTuber out here on these YouTube streets. You can do this for yourself. Now take a look. If you all want to get the latest price prediction that I got on any particular type of stock, you guys can do it right here. And you guys can actually see what my price predictions are for these markets. That's it. All right, now break this down. What happened into the market in Disney? I did a video in the market in Disney on the 24th of December. You guys can see it right here. My prediction is still on the chart. Yeah, I'm being fully transparent, showing you what happened in the market for Disney. Now, I was looking for the price to go up in Disney. I had two price targets. First one was right there around 160. Yeah, right there. And I told you that we could actually see the market flip there of seeing price go up to price coming back down. And that is exactly what happened. The market did not have enough gas to go up there to 168 to $166. It just didn't. Would it have been great for us to see the price go up there? Yeah, it would have been, but it didn't do it. All right. So hopefully you was able to grab and nibble a little bit of profitability out the market in Disney of around 4.25%. Yeah, you should have done that, because that's the lid. That was how high the market in Disney was able to go. It didn't have enough momentum to come all the way up here to this horizontal line of 167. It just didn't. Now, let's talk about the future. Let's try to get in position in the market in Disney now. All right, so let's see this. Where do you think the price is going? So one of the things about forecasting and doing price predictions is that you got to predict. You got to see where the market is going to go in order for you to win. We cannot be reactionary. We have to be proactive as to where price is headed. So let's start off on the 3 weeks time frame, right? Now, I'm here to tell you the last 5 3-weekly price bars right around here is weak, massively weak. Okay, that's 1. 2, this is restriction. Okay, that 160, and this is restriction, meaning as long as price continues to trade below like 150, we're going to expect the price to go down. So already we should be paying attention to what happened historically on the chart to figure out where price could likely go, right? So I see an area here that we can see Disney come down towards 130. And then the biggest, most important area is going to be down here at 120. That's going to be the biggest, most important area for us to really find the buyers in Disney. Because if we break 120, we'll have to go through all of this right here to determine how low price is going to go. Okay. So we need to get prepared for these moves. And that's it. Okay. Let me see this on a monthly time frame. Yeah, I'm already looking for that. So let's see what we got. We said that 150 or like 155 is restriction into the market in Disney. and we got 130, which is on about 5%, to 120, about 12. I think the market has enough energy, enough momentum to come down to 120, but just in case, we're going to grab that 132 as logical areas of seeing the buyers, right? I think I'm done. I mean, I think I've shown you pretty much why the price in Disney is weak. I mean, the market has broken some very crucial areas of support. We could not see the price trade back up above 160. It could not do it. And we're still here in a weakness phase. Okay. So let's go ahead and run the play. Then we're going to put this over on the daily. And I'm not going to really follow the market this far out into August. So I'm going to bring it in closer. Maybe at around this March timeframe, June timeframe. But definitely keep our eyes open right here for us to see the buyers come in. Definitely paying attention to 130, because if not that, then we're going to come back down to like 120. This is one thing we need to all learn how to do. We need to train our eyes to figure out, okay, if the market is giving us a bias direction, which in this particular case is going down, how low could we see the market go? How low can we go before we see buyers step in to try to keep this market from continuing to fall? From Disney's standpoint, this particular market, it looked like it's going to be around 130 and then possibly around 120. Now, anything outside of 120 is going to be massively weak for Disney, right? Massively weak. And then we'll have to bring this down like in $10 increments, maybe 110, then $100 ultimately. Ultimately, it's down around 90. You guys can see it right here. This is where the ultimate area to where the buyers really would need to come through. But that's long term. So I'm not going to follow that right now. Just going to simply look at 130, 120 first. And as time goes on, I mean, if we continue to get the weakness here into the market in Disney, then we'll continue to play it. I mean, we won't be caught off guard. We won't be surprised to see price break 120, because I've already told you that, yeah, 110 and 100 would be next already. So the comment section is open. Yeah, this is your opportunity to drop a price prediction for you to drop a price target as to where you're seeing Disney stock going as we go into the month of June. If it happens a lot sooner, cool. I'll come back in and do another price prediction. All right. Give me your price prediction, your price target though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.